Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how to create a link in bio page here. So I came to this page from by clicking on the link in bio here. So I have the option to choose the category. You can choose business, influencer, non-profit, education, or creator, marketing, and professional others. So you can also give a select goal. What is the purpose of creating a link in bio page? So I want to increase my traffic, and I'll be a professional, and this is the layout I'm gonna choose, or I can create my own. So let me go with the first one. I have Once I choose this one, my LinkedIn setup link in bio page button enables. When I click on it, it asks for a name. So I'm gonna give Rom Divsly. This is going to be my link in bio page. So I'm gonna create it for you. Here are the links that I'm gonna add. Let me add divsly.com/features, or let me take off this. This is my home page. I'm gonna save it. So it says invalid destination URL. So I've saved this, and I'm gonna add more links here. Features divsly.com/features. I'm gonna save another one. So my second link came here. I can also juggle this by drag and drop. So home went up and features came down. I can also add more links here. Let me add one more link here saying pricing. I'm gonna name it as pricing only. I'm gonna save it. So my pricing got updated. You can see the number of links being created here. You can also have the option to update it. Ram Divsly. I am a project manager. You can also have the option to update the image over here. So I'm cropping this image. I have updated it. So let me change the page view now. So I have my black links here. It's a complete white page. I'm gonna change the background as purely gray. I hope this looks fine. And I'm gonna publish my changes. My changes got published. So if I click on this link, I'm gonna able to see my page. You can see the page over here. So if I click each link, it will take me to the particular page. So I have clicked these links. If you can see, if you want to see the analytics, the link in bio views have been updated. So three clicks are there, link clicks. So each click has been done one time each time, and it's from India. City is this, and the device is this desktop. So we can go back and see how the page has been generated. So you can either edit it or click on the link to navigate to the particular page.